inside the stagecoach, we've got our very own Folsom Mayor, Carrie Howell, and friends, or not. I didn't see her though. She's probably coming down the motorcade, but we do have Savannah Berry, who is going to be singing our National Anthem.
Who's that shines and bright star through the perilous fight? For the ramparts we watch were so gallantly streamed, and the rockets everywhere, the ones bursting.
Savannah Berry, everybody. Great job. And thank you to Royce Fargo for providing the coach for Savannah to put it down in